Senator Natasha gets bail for the second time. Welcome, country people, to Sinok Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Make you put on your notification bell. E go ring once we drop updates. Make you like, comment, and share our videos. Country people, one federal high court for Abuja don grant bail to Senator Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan wey dey represent Kogi Central for the National Assembly. This na during her second arraignment over a defamation case. Una go recall say last week, the first court also for Abuja, e grant her bail for the tune of the sum of 50 million naira and one surety wey must be civil servant and get landed property for the Federal Capital Territory. However, the court today allow her to go on bail based solely on her personal promise to return for trial without requiring any financial or legal surety. The defamation case dem file am against her, and na the federal government now file the case with Senate President Godswill Akpabio and former Kogi Governor Yahaya Bello as complainants. Natasha appeared for court alongside her husband, Chief Emmanuel Uduaghan, and popular human rights activist Aisha Yesufu, along with many other supporters. Earlier, the federal government don ask the court to issue a bench warrant for her arrest. They claim say she don dey served with the charges. However, Justice Umar dismissed the request, explained say Natasha never received any formal notice or court papers before the hearing. The prosecution only handed the documents to her lawyer inside the courtroom that same morning. The judge come rule say e dey unreasonable to therefore expect her to appear for court without prior notice and therefore refuse to issue a warrant. Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan, the suspended senator, e come before the court today to face charges when e relate to alleged cyber crime offences when e involve the Senate President Godswill Akpabio and former Kogi State Governor Yahaya Bello. Akpoti-Uduaghan, wey dem previously suspend from the Senate for 6 months, e don dey face legal proceedings over allegations say she fabricate an assassination plot according to court summons wey dem file under charge number CR/297/25. The federal government dey claim say the lawmaker falsely allege say some political rivals dey conspire to kill her. These claims dem make dem reportedly for one public address to her supporters in Kogi State and again on April 3 during an appearance on Channels Television Politics Today. For the charges, the lawmaker dey accuse her say she directly implicates Senate President Godswill Akpabio and former Kogi State Governor Yahaya Bello for an alleged meeting where they make plans to assassinate her, say they discuss am for there. The prosecution come allege say she assert say the two politicians agree say make dem kpai her in a manner when e go appear to be the result of a mob attack for Kogi State. The government come argue say the accusations she know say they dey false and e damage the reputations of both Akpabio and Bello, and it constitute a violation of Section 24(2)(c) of the Cyber Crime Act when it criminalize the deliberate publication of false information when it dey intended to harm another person's character. For her arraignment On Monday, the senator come enter a plea of not guilty before Justice Umar. Mohammed Abubakar, the Director of Public Prosecution of the Federation, he come inform the court say he never submit any formal objection to her release on bail. However, he come request say make the judge set bail conditions wey e go ensure say the defendant remain available throughout the trial. Meanwhile, the senator legal representative, senior advocate of Nigeria, Professor Roland Otaro, he come tok say bail application don dey already submitted to the court on June 20. Roland Otaro, SAN, he come assure the court say her client no pose any risk to run and he go dey present throughout the proceedings. He come highlight say she dey currently serve as the elected representative of a district wey e cover 5 local government areas. He come further remind the court say one earlier bail wey dem don grant am by another Abuja High Court e dey on a related matter. He come emphasize say her status as a distinguished and experienced legal practitioner no go make am jump bail after the consideration of the submissions from both prosecution and defense. Justice Mohammed Umar come tok say im dey inclined to grant the defendant bail based on her personal recognition. The judge come acknowledge say the defendant na active member of the Nigerian Senate and he come note say the alleged offence na one for where bail dey permissible under the law. The case, the judge come adjourn am with the next hearing wey dem schedule for September 22. Country pipo, like we tok earlier for dis report, dis na the second time wey Senator Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan dey get bail for the arraignment wey federal government don bring against am. Say one, she dey defame the name of the Senate president by her story of sexual harassment. And also two, the one wey she tok say the Senate president and the former governor of Kogi State plan to kpai her. He say that one too na wetin dey worrisome to the character and integrity of these people. So now because of that one, the federal government come involve themselves for the matter to arraign her for court, and the court don use in discretion to grant her bail, this time on personal recognition. Country people, how una dey see the travails of Senator Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan? If una get anything to talk, make una put am for the comment section.